Hello everyone! I'm AYANA, a Vtuber.
Today we'll explain the screen configuration of After Effects.
Let's begin. Let's start.
The first thing you need to understand when studying how to use After Effects is the screen configuration of the workspace. When you launch After Effects, this is how the Start panel appears. You can create a new project here, but you can also close this window. When you close the Start panel, a window like this will be displayed, which is the default layout. In After Effects, several workspaces are displayed in the upper right-hand corner of the screen as presets. By selecting a preset, you can switch between workspaces freely to match your needs. Click the arrow mark at the right end of the Workspace button to view the presets of the workspace that are not displayed, so you can choose from there. You can freely customize the workspace to suit your needs, so I'll explain how to customize it. Click this 3-line button on the right side of each panel to display the menu. Click Close Panel to close the panel you are viewing. Next, let's show a panel that is not displayed on the screen. This is a must-remember operation for beginners of After Effects. Click Window on the menu bar. Select the panel you want to display and the panel will be displayed. Move the cursor to the top of the panel and drag it to the position you want to move. You will then see a guide on where to dock. If you release the mouse button in the darkened position, you can dock here. Here's how to save your workspace. Let's save your workspace that's been modified to fit your work environment. You can save your workspace by clicking the 3-line mark button on the right side of the default button and selecting Save as New Workspace. This concludes the explanation of After Effects screen configuration.
How is everyone doing? Did you understand today's lecture? If you found today's lecture useful, please subscribe. If you have any requests, please let us know in the comments below. See you again for the next lecture. See you soon. Bye-bye.